All right, hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Shout out to each and every one of you guys that are joining the Crypto ZX army. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these daily updates. So far, so good. Market has seen a bounce. You can see, majority of the market is up right now, and I'm sure no one really is complaining. Taking a look at the price of XRP, $3.18, up 2% in USD. You're down 1.3% in Bitcoin comparative with the market valuation at $183.2 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 10 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So take a look at this, guys. New XRP ETF filed by Rex Osprey. You are seeing big things happening since the stepping out of Gary Gensler. We have seen a flood of ETF application, filings. And here we are looking at an XRP ETF filed from Rex, which of course is yet again another ETF that of course comes on the table for XRP. And they went for Trump ETF as well. Trump coin ETF. That's a record over here. Trump coin literally launched 2 days back, and here we are, seeing a Trump coin ETF. You saw Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Bonk, and Dogecoin. Big stuff happening here, and of course kind of explains why Bonk is also up right now, about 12.3%. But let's move forward. Breaking: Bank of America CEO says the financial industry is ready to adopt crypto payments if regulators give the green light. Exactly what your boy Crypto ZX has been saying. Now under the new administration, I think you're going to see the banks, actually looking at crypto and realizing, that crypto is here to stay and actually offering it to the clientele, of these major banks. Like I said, I give you guys, my personal, experience as well. You go into some of these major banks and you talk about crypto, they think like, you're just someone crazy, talking about crypto. And now here we are, we're going to see that and imagine what kind of demand this could bring. And, this is going to happen in, here in North America, if you kind of go even in, US and Canada. I'm sure anyone here can relate. I'm talking about, the big banks. You go and talk anything to do with crypto, they're going to be like, whoa, 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 whoa. No, not crypto, not crypto, which is always funny to me. But I think this is, a huge step in the right direction. And you can see the SEC has launched a new crypto task force led by the Commissioner Pierce, aimed at establishing a clear regulatory framework for the cryptocurrency industry. And look at what Stewart replies to this. Thank you, Acting Chairman Ueda, for saying it. The SEC war on crypto created confusion about what is legal and an environment hostile to innovative and conducive, to fraud. Looking forward to working with the crypto task force to undo the prior administration damage. Apologize, when I'm very excited, I can, mispronounce some things. But again, I'm sure everyone can relate to this excitement. Moving forward, look at this, Eric Trump just, posted this, and you can see this for yourself. In my opinion, there has been a better time to invest. Let's see, I'm talking way too fast and I'm getting very excited. Sorry about that, guys. In my opinion, there has never been a better time to invest in US. Bet on our markets, on energy, on technology, and on crypto. Bet on the greatest nation on earth, a nation that has been freed from its constraints and shackles and now has limitless potential. No question, Biden left a mess, but that mess will be corrected, and the next 4 years are going to be spectacular. Transformational wealth will be created, and I hope everyone enjoys the ride. Big statements coming in. He did not forget to mention crypto. Here we have it. And I think, they have big things planned. Are we going to see the whole family launching their own meme coins? I know, people are getting frustrated at these meme coin launches. And, I understand the frustration, but, with the Trump coin specifically, I think he has some sort of plan with that coin. I have a feeling that, there's some sort of plan. I think he's trying to, do something that, we might not know. But again, let's take it one step at a time. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening. If you're looking at Bitcoin dominance here, 58.8%. 58%. Of course, pretty much hanging around at this 58.8% mark. Bitcoin broke out yet again, $106,400 price point. We are obviously coming at the neckline of the previous all-time high on the 18th of December. Obviously, if this is able to break out, I wouldn't even be surprised that, just in the next few hours to come, you do see Bitcoin breaking towards new all-time highs. But, dominance is quite high right now. Hence, you are seeing, altcoins still lagging. You're still seeing a lag for the altcoins, believe it or not. Imagine what happens, if the dominance index here, goes down. Imagine what happens to the, price of XRP and the likes of, these altcoins. I think we do see much bigger green day compared to what we're seeing right now. And that's what, I want you guys to focus on. And this is why we focus on the Bitcoin dominance on a day-to-day basis. But with that said, let's really take a look at what's happening with XRP, because XRP is making some moves right now. So I'm going to shift our focus towards the hourly time frame here for you guys to really give you guys a little bit of a better visual as to what we're looking at here. Let's bring out the XRP charts. And let's take a look at it from a closer time scale. So here we are. You can see this for yourself. XRP wants to break out. Clear indication just based off of taking a look at the hourly time frame. A lot of people, were complaining the fact that, the price of XRP fell down to $3. And look at this, reclaimed back up to these levels that, we've been speaking about. And if you want to put this into perspective, a 7% move. And now we're facing some key resistance. If this resistance is able to break out, I think new yearly high could be in play. And even all-time highs could be near. People are starting to take a look at the bigger picture rather than the small picture. I think the new timeline, that I shared with you guys yesterday, from the XRP guy, I think, that is something that, a lot of people are ignoring. And I think the next catalyst, as a lot of viewers of mine even, agree with, is not the ETF, it's the lawsuit. More developments with this lawsuit. Are we going to see this lawsuit finally coming to an end? If so, I think fireworks start for XRP and, we reach all-time highs. So right now, it's showing strength. And, what's quite interesting here is that, it's showing this strength right now, while Bitcoin dominance is this high. Of course, Bitcoin is moving up. So, it shouldn't be a major big surprise factor here, but the fact that we are at the neckline of the yearly high speaks for itself. So the next few hours are very important for XRP, depending on where it closes the daily candle. We actually wicked up to 325 just a few hours ago and have seen a little bit of a retracement since then, but we want to see that close above that range. And again, that's only a move of about 2.3%, and that can actually happen in the next few hours. If we're able to close the daily candle for XRP above that range, and Bitcoin also closes at around this range, I honestly think XRP could be heading towards new yearly highs and start heading towards all-time highs for the first time, obviously in about 7 years time frame. But yeah, so far so good. Really liking what I'm seeing. People need to take a look at the bigger picture rather than the smaller picture. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions on XRP? Where do you see the price of XRP going at the end of the week? Love you all. See you later. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.